Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Dear Denise Diary. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Today we are going to talk about this baby here. This is the Innova SARS-CoV-2 antigen rapid qualitative test. That's an idea of what we're talking about. Yes, this is the COVID-19 home kit for testing. Before we go on to talk about it, I just want to give you an idea. I work in a hospital as a therapeutic radiographer. So often we get tested in the hospital. We get trained. We test each other. My colleagues, some of them are trained to do this testing. Anybody can get trained to do the test. So we do the test, and usually we do it. It used to be twice. No, I tell a lie. It used to be once every 2 weeks, and then it became once a week. But now with this home kit, we are to do it twice a week. Now, which is quite good, because then we are able to know if you're positive or negative, and twice a week is, I think it's a really good idea. Now this test is it's like a pregnancy test basically. It's sealed, as you can see. I haven't opened it yet. I think it's supposed to contain about 12 tests in there, so that should last me for 6 weeks. We're not allowed to test any member of our home, nobody else. We can't give it to anybody else because it's issued by the NHS and they're paying for it. So it's only for the staff and whoever is issued to. So unfortunately, I can't test anybody else with it but myself. Whenever we take a test, we have to upload it, the results, to a specific website, so the department will be able to see whether you're positive or negative. Yes, you have to take a picture of it, and there are codes and things on here, so they are aware of whose kit is which. And then when we upload them, so if you are positive, you don't go to work. You basically stay at home, and you call your manager or whoever, and then they are aware of why you're not coming to work, basically to let them know that, okay, so I'm positive, then you have to isolate at home. If you're negative, then you go back to work. And I think it's a really good idea. We don't have to go and queue for I don't know how long to get a test, and you just have it at home, and I think it's really convenient. That's all. I'm just blabbing, but I feel it's very convenient, and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you. And yeah, maybe one of these days should I film testing myself? Do you want to see whether I'm positive or negative at some point? I think we'll do that. Anyway, so yeah, I said it works like a pregnancy test. Within 30 minutes, you're able to get your results, and that's it. Now, this test, we had to have a training on how to do the test yourself. We call it the lateral flow test. So it's lateral flow training. Now, with the training these days, because of COVID, we do everything online. All the tests, all the training and everything is done online. So we all had to do it online. Then after that, you do a test. Yes, there's a test to make sure that you know what you're doing, what all this is about. So that's basically what we did before you're giving the kit. So they know that you're doing it and you're doing it properly. So yeah, so that is the Innova IVD COVID test. Yeah, so I thought I'd share that. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and joining in and having fun with us. Over here, we just make random videos about anything and everything, and basically whatever. Me, my little boy, our life, anything at all. So consider subscribing. We'll be happy to have you here. Thank you. And it's been nice having you here snooping around my diary. Until next time, ta-ta, bye.